so today I'm back with my another gaming video, and today we're playing again Mastercraft, Minecraft, and whatever we say, blah blah blah. Okay, so today I'm back with my another we can say upgrade in my world. Yep, and I don't want to show you that upgrade, so that's why I'll be going like this. Yeah, it's like kind of weird, but still. Okay, so I wanted to tell you something very like sad thing. That is because from several days, like it's been 2 to 3 days from when the rain hasn't stopped, and because of that, my snowman army has almost got killed. These are the new ones which I made. After that, here's the upgrade. Yep, I made this hole in around 3 hours. You think that there was just one obsidian wall? I just made these bricks and these sandstones. Means chiseled sandstones, but no. I also completed that second layer of that obsidians. After that, the place left between those both in between like this. Here I've completed it with these bricks. Wait, looks like some of the place got left. Yep. Yeah, so I filled all the place, and also that once I've finished my tunnels of obsidians, I also made a tower up here. Wait, let me show you. I've made special things for that, like these ladders. You can find these ladders at several places in that in my city. They can be found at many places. These entrances, and one more thing, my tower got completely in fire, so I built it again. This is one more new upgrade. And what else? Yep, I didn't show you this man. Yep, I showed you, but I think I showed you, but didn't show you this golden sword and this helmet. It doesn't look that much nice. It's looking very like disgusting. Yeah, because it was my first try. After that, yeah, this doll we can say is not completely like full of clay. It has a hollow space inside it, and so that's why that this place is filled with these ladders which take to a special place, us to a special place. Let me just put up more ladders, as I am a very weak like climber. See, every time I try to climb up, the direction changes. Okay, so here's a cloud base. Yep, this base just looks like a cloud, but as because of this snow tower which I made, or the snow pillar which I made, so we can attach this we can say those ladders and go up. Because of that, it can be seen very easily. Yes, so here's the whole thing. Now I think that my village looks pretty much good, better than before. But like these, I made these sandstones. Yep, and I also made some iron golem guards, as here you can see. Yep, these guards will be guarding my whole that wall. And first when I saw this wall, like after completing, this just looked like the walls in Roman Empire, as I studied about the Roman Empire. And I in my books, like we all have books in our schools, so in that book there was the same architect like this. Yeah, as Roman like Romania and Roman places are almost near the desert places, so that's why I made like the architect in there is almost made up of sand only, and that's why I also use sand, so it looks a bit better and also gives it a good look. Okay, so right now I'm thinking of some new upgrades in here, but I can't just find some like what to make in here. Next, I was thinking of a zoo, but in this game we don't have that much animals, so I can't just make a zoo. And also, most of the animals can be tamed. I'm just sick of again and again and always putting up these seeds because it always got gets covered with the help of the and it's also just because of these golems. You get out of here. I've just written outside that no jumping on the farm places, and also please do not enter this place. But still, what to say? I just keep them here for the security, but still they do not guard the place. But in spite of that, mm, they just keep themselves in the swimming pool. Lazy people. Lazy people. Okay, so one of them was a melon. It looks pretty good. There are more. Oh, okay, whoa. Okay, so there were looks like there were more of these melons, but someone just took them off. Or we can say the iron golems only. Yep, these were melon seeds only. It's a it's a proof. It's in front of us. See, some of them even got uh, grass on them. And now I'll be putting in some villagers, as because without villagers and just with the help of iron golems, this place isn't that much fun as I thought in the beginning when I just made the huts. Okay, so yeah, this video was properly made for my journey till now in this world, in this city, because most of my videos are made on this city only. So that was just my mind which got over, and I started on another topics to talk about. But still, I'll just continue the topic. Okay, so the beginning of this city was just too simple. My sister told me about the huts she made, and I'm also a fast learner. Like if you tell me something about something, so I will just learn it or get about it very quickly. So the journey till now, it was like the way these ads just make my screen hang. Okay, so first house I made till now was this one. Yeah, I remember it with the help of the stone slabs. First, when I made this flat world, I was just having this hut, and it looked so lonely. After that, these three huts came. After those, this farm came. Yep. After that, this farm came. Right now, it's isn't in a good mood because I haven't been working on it for since 1-2 months, as I've been working on my cultivation and not on these poultry things. After that, I made my first penthouse. This one. After that, this was the smallest penthouse ever. It was a bit messy though. You can see as it hasn't even got any space to walk around. After that, the second house was in here, which had much more space, to walk. And this is the best house till now. Yep, it has these fluffy wool, these small torches, these beautiful looking and camouflaging, like it's going with the texture, these orange tulips and these cactus. After that, I don't even remember properly. Yeah, after that I made the that this part of the city, this part of the penthouse. Yeah, I'm after I made these two penthouse, I started making these washrooms, and after when I completed these washrooms, I made this swimming pool. These iron blocks are new, and these ladders are also new. so no one can get in here like these iron golems. After that I made these trees, and after that I made the this, yep, what is it, court, yeah. And after court I made the jail, as it's obvious in court most of the cases are like to send the people to jail. So then I made this jail, and after I completed my jail, the next thing I made was the wall. Yep, and it was just a small wall of 3 obsidians in a row, and it was like whole all around this place. After that I wanted to make a house of these dark wooden blocks, of these types of blocks. I wanted to make a small, like this much as the hole is, like from here to here, then from here to here. I wanted to make a big hut in which I would be storing all of my that portals, but it got on fire and all the things just got destructed. After that, the other things were the tower, then came the incubator, then came my pets, then this we can say the bathing tub for the pets. After that came the museum, which is still not finished. After that came the no, wait, after the wall came the this castle, yep, sorry. Okay, so I just forgot about that. After the wall came this castle, which hasn't which wouldn't be getting this second floor, because I just made it right just 1 week ago. After that came the towers, and the what was after the tower, yep, after the tower I made this what's Wonderland, yep, I almost forgot its name, Wonderland. But after that I sold it to my sister. Oh, wait, the entrance is open, no. So they were escaping this Sina's Wonderland. Okay, so looks like the land got deleted. Okay, I made this, and after that I made the weather forecaster. After the weather forecaster, the next thing I made was this umbrella right here, and after the umbrella came my big man. After my big man came the half of the obsidian, second obsidian layer, only half, not even half, even like we can say much like quarter of half, like quarter, yep, quarter. What is he doing here? Yeah. Okay, after that came the cloud base, then these the whole second layer of this place, then came the sand architect, and after that came my farm. I would say that the farm came. Who is this? No. Whoa. Hey, I need to stop him before they just, like escape. Right. I'll just continue the story. Yes, so for now I just made a temporary wall out of these clay, and hey, what are you all doing? That's why I just keep you inside this fence and do not let you come out of here, and that's all the thing. See, they're now fighting over, I don't even know how much of these are here right now, and the snowmans are alone here fighting. I'll be also helping them a bit with my arrow and bow. They're just trying to win. Like there are more of these snowmans and only one zombie, but he's not getting killed as because these snowmans, the snowballs can't be doing anything. Oh, my arrow just killed them. Yeah. After that came these towers, and in last came these iron bars, which stops iron golems to enter and also to exit this place. So this was my whole journey till now. Yeah, sorry, I just forgot the helicopter. You can take it in Wonderland only, and all the things I've ever made. So this beautiful world by me, I made it all alone because my sister wasn't here. And if she, I told you about her in many videos. So if you think that I'm cheating and I made it with the help of my sister, so I'll be honest and I will say that yeah, like she just guided me on a video call, as she don't live with me. She's my cousin. Yeah. So that's why she just guided me that how to make, and all the work I did it on my own. As because more than just guiding anyone, it's more uh, hard to do that thing. Like if you're just saying that make a castle and I ask you for the guide, so it would be very easy that just make 4 big balls. After that, just fortify them with the help of cobweb and it's completed. But it's all upon me now that how I complete it. Like the walls couldn't be just of one block or two block, and the diameter and the like the whole breadth and length and height also, it also has to be big enough. It shouldn't be just like right now here only I'll tell you I'm making this castle and this is my castle, so there's only one block in which we can enter. Like there should be enough space for a castle like this much big enough. So more than just uh, guiding anyone, it's more important to help him or the one who is doing it. So I just got the help from my sister by her guidance, but all the work I did it on my own. This pig is a bit hard to get in. Oh, yep, really. I every time miss him. Hey, why are you just running, man? Oh, I got him. Hey, there's a creeper. Why isn't someone killing him? You fools. Oh, my screen just hung. Okay, yep. So I think I'll just meet you in my next video, because this video was mainly made for my journey till now in this city, and I have told you about that. So I'll be meeting you in my next video. Till then, take care and bye.